Hello everyone, I am back with a new video for you guys. I had my basement remodeled recently and I hired 3 guys who really know what they are doing. They turned my crappy looking basement into a very nice living space. In this episode I will show you how they made a beautiful stucco finish on my interior walls. So let's get started. After framing and electrical job was completed, they covered all walls with drywall, obviously. They taped the seams and corners with drywall tape, as usual. The drywall they used had a purple color. They brought 17 buckets of stucco, plus special primer. Before starting, they covered all 9 drywall surfaces with plastic sheeting and tape for protection. First, they painted the drywall with a special sanded drywall primer, using painting roller made for rough surfaces. It is made especially for the purpose of allowing stucco to adhere to drywall well. As you can hear, it has a very rough surface when it is dry, almost like a coarse sandpaper. It dried within 24 hours. For stucco, I had to choose a color ahead of time because the pigment is mixed into the stucco at the distribution center. After drywall has dried, they put 17 buckets of stucco on the wall and made my wall look like a piece of art. One of them was putting the stucco onto the wall, trying to evenly spread it at a thickness of about 1/8 of an inch. As you can see, the method that works best is to lay it on the wall is a bottom to top motion. Another guy was smoothing the surface with his trowel and making the texture. It takes a skill to create even texture, not too much and not too little. Altogether, it took them 2 days to complete my basement. I had some hard to reach areas, for example around this shower. Everything was covered with plastic and tape. This shower door it was not installed at that time. There are many different textures that can be made using stucco, but this one was my favorite. It's called worms or swirls. I like how the light shines onto the texture from the side and creates shadows in the grooves, giving them a 3D look. Once the stucco was on the wall and texture was made, the tape was removed. It is important to remove it before the stucco dried, so it would come off easily. It took about 24 hours for the stucco to harden and be dry to touch, but the ammonia odor was in the basement for about 2 to 3 weeks, with windows opened all the way, so he didn't use the basement until the stucco was completely dry. Once it was all done and carpet was installed, electrical outlet covers were installed and some furniture were in place, the result looked amazing. I really hope you found this video interesting and maybe even educational. Don't forget to hit a like button and definitely subscribe for more of my videos. I will do my best to keep posting some interesting stuff. Now that I am remodeling the rest of my house, I will make more videos about my $5,000 bathtub, Wi-Fi connected shower controller, and more high-tech house upgrades. So don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video.